Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials. Plug your laptop into power and ensure enough free space on the destination drive. Choose where to store backups: external HDD/SSD for speed, NAS for network access, or cloud for off-site safety. Decide the method. A full disk image captures OS and apps for total recovery, while file-level backup focuses on documents and media for faster restores. Once chosen, connect the target storage and open your backup tool so you can configure the next steps. Now configure the backup job, add exact folders, partitions, or select a full disk image. Pick a schedule that matches how frequently your data changes: daily for active work, weekly for slow-changing files. Use incremental backups to reduce storage and transfer time. Make sure to enable encryption at rest and in transit if available, and set retention rules so old versions are pruned. Once configuration is complete, run a test backup to confirm the process finishes without errors and that files are readable. Finish by validating backups. Perform a test restore of key files, and if you created an image, validate the image boot or mount it to inspect contents. Document step-by-step recovery instructions and securely store access keys or passwords separately from the backup media. Make sure regular alerts are enabled so you know when a job fails. If something goes wrong, check the backup logs first, reconnect or remount drives, confirm permissions, and then rerun the job. Most issues are resolved by addressing storage access or permission error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.